taking my birds outside. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Say hi, Emerald. Did you make a poopsie? Uh-oh. I hope he doesn't step in it. Ah! Don't get your tail in it. Oh, man. He probably has already gotten his tail. Okay, it's always good to take your birdies outside. And Emerald's kind of freaking out. The other birds are enjoying it. Ziva's liking it. And Tilly's just preening herself. Hi, Tilly. You sure are beautiful. Hi, baby. She's loving the sun right now. She does that when she's happy. And Emerald's just freaking out a little bit. He just doesn't do the cage thing. He doesn't have a cage. He has a cage, but he doesn't ever get in it because he's spoiled. Yeah, Emerald, you're still spoiled. Too spoiled. So beautiful. Hi, Tilly. You enjoying the sun? Yeah. Hi, Ziva. Hi, Ziva. Hi, Ziva. Ziva, Ziva, Ziva. Ziva, Ziva, Ziva. Ziva is so pretty. Yes, she is. Ziva is so pretty. Mm-hmm. Ziva. Ziva. Want some water? Hi, baby. Hi. Okay. Ouch! I just hit my head. Sorry. Have you calmed down?
Well, you got all your babies out here.
Not all of them.
Well, these ones. Out in the sun enjoying
Just the main ones. All right.